Pollution.
Pollution can have a negative impact on human health, and in some cases, it can be fatal. The World Health Organization estimates that air pollution alone causes around 7 million premature deaths worldwide each year. Pollution can also cause or exacerbate respiratory diseases, heart disease, stroke, and cancer. Pollution can come from a variety of sources, including industrial activities, transportation, and burning fossil fuels. In addition, pollution can also occur from natural sources, such as wildfires and dust storms. While some progress has been made in reducing pollution levels in certain areas, it remains a significant problem in many parts of the world. It is important for individuals, businesses, and governments to take action to reduce pollution and protect human health.
The krill.
There is some evidence to suggest that the krill population in some areas may be declining, possibly due to overfishing, climate change, or other environmental factors. However, there is also evidence to suggest that krill populations in other areas may be stable or increasing. The Commission for the Conservation of Antarctic Marine Living Resources, CAMLR, an international organization responsible for managing Antarctic fisheries, sets catch limits for krill fishing in the Southern Ocean to ensure that the harvest is sustainable and does not negatively impact the ecosystem. In recent years, there has been growing interest in the use of krill oil as a dietary supplement, which has led to increased fishing pressure on krill populations. It is important for all stakeholders to carefully monitor the status of the krill population and take action to ensure its long-term sustainability.
If krill became extinct.
If the krill population were to become extinct, it could have significant consequences for the marine ecosystem and the animals that depend on it. Krill are a critical food source for a wide variety of marine animals, including whales, penguins, seals, and seabirds. If krill were to disappear, it could lead to a ripple effect throughout the food chain, potentially causing a decline in the populations of these animals as well. In addition, krill play an important role in the ocean's carbon cycle. They feed on microscopic algae, which take up carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, and then excrete carbon-rich fecal pellets that sink to the ocean floor. This process helps to remove carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and store it in the deep ocean. If the krill population were to decline, it could potentially have a negative impact on this process and contribute to climate change.
Authority.
The Commission for the Conservation of Antarctic Marine Living Resources, CAMLR, is an international organization established by the Convention on the Conservation of Antarctic Marine Living Resources. It has a high level of authority in managing and regulating fisheries in the Southern Ocean. CAMLR is responsible for setting catch limits for the harvesting of krill and other marine resources in the Southern Ocean. These catch limits are based on scientific assessments of the status of the populations and the potential impacts of fishing on the ecosystem. The Commission also has the authority to close areas to fishing or to suspend or revoke fishing licenses in cases where fishing activities are found to be damaging to the ecosystem. CAMLR has 26 members, including both Antarctic Treaty parties and non-parties, and decisions are made by consensus. This means that all members must agree to a decision before it can be adopted. While this consensus-based decision-making process can sometimes lead to delays in decision-making, it also ensures that decisions are well informed and widely accepted. Overall, CAMLR has significant authority in managing fisheries and protecting the ecosystem in the Southern Ocean, and its decisions are widely respected by the international community.